Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make coffee with the coffee press. It is very easy. Remove the plunger lid, okay, and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of your favorite coarsely ground coffee. I'm adding a little over 2 spoons here because I'm making the entire mug. Heat water, pour boiling water onto the carafe. Leave some space at the top just to prevent scalding. Okay, mix it with a spoon. Wooden spoon is preferred, although I'm using stainless steel here. And then put the plunger lid back in place. Make sure the plunger is still upright at top. Leave it for 4 to 5 minutes, and after that, press the plunger just down like that to push down the coffee. Your coffee is ready. Pour it out to a mug. It is smooth tasting, freshly brewed coffee. It's ready for you. There you go. It's so easy to use. If you have any questions, please post a comment. Thank you for watching.